G'day. G'day, mate. I'm just about to start my floor. I just got to do a bit of a trim with my skirtings. My architraves. That is always a bang on height. Then when you put your tile in with a bit of glue there like that, that brings it up 2 mil. Then you have a bit of silicone. Bloody beautiful. All right, I'll be mixing up a bit of glue now, and I'll be into it. I'll just sweep that dust away. I'm not going to lay that, do I lay that corner tile? I should. God, and that's done. No, I'll leave it out because I might have to fluff around with that wedge and that down there. It's all good. Alright, I'll mix up some glue, people. What I'm going to be using is a 15mm notch. I should have picked up a new one, but I forgot all about it. But this is a 15mm notch, 600 by 600 tile. I've worked out everything that I go a full tile off that. I end up here, which is lovely. It gives me a big tile there. It's a 450mm cut across there. It gives me a 500mm cut down by the door there, right across. About 150mm cut there. It's all good. It's working out beautiful. When I start a full tile against that wall, it brings me to that line there, so that's cool. I'll mix up some glue and squirt into it.